In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your chat theme on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your chats and then enter some conversation. Now guys, if we want to change a theme for that specific conversation, first off we need to tap right here at a conversation name, and that's where we can easily find theme option. If I tap right here, it will show me a huge variety of different themes, and now we can change here any simply by selecting it, just like that. It will immediately set this theme to our conversation. Now we can go back here. As you can see, the theme has already been applied to that particular conversation. And down below here it says that we changed the theme to football, and also here it shows us kind of a link which is called change theme. So now we can simply hit right here and it will open up the same theme selector. From here we can select different one simply by tapping on it, and then we can again hit right here and then we can select a different one, and we can keep doing the same steps until we find a theme we like. And basically, guys, that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.